Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, retractable cargo cover. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, audio, internet radio, AHA, Mazda Connect, satellite communications, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.